Hello everyone, here I am going to show you how to SSH into AWS EC2 instance using PuTTY on Windows. First we need to install PuTTY. We will download PuTTY first. In order to download PuTTY, go to putty.org, click here for downloading. Then here you have to choose whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit based on your operating system. I can show you how to check your Windows configurations. Right click in this PC, click properties. Here you can see your system configuration. Mine is 64-bit, so I am choosing 64-bit here. I am recommending you to download the Windows installer, not get the executables, because you are going to need the tools comes in the bundle with the Windows installer called Partigen. Keep in your mind that your goal is to connect using the authentication key generated by AWS when you first set up the EC2 instance. So, okay, I will provide the URL for PuTTY in the description. Select Windows installer. Once downloaded, go to the download folder and just install it. Double click, click next, next, install. Click finish. Now PuTTY has installed successfully. Now go to AWS Management Console. Here click EC2 instance. Click instance running. Click launch instances. Here I am going and create free tier instance using the wizard. Choose Linux instance here. Click select. Click review and launch. Click launch. This is important. Here we need a key pair. This is basically a permission file, so we can SSH into the EC2 machine. So I will just create a new key pair. Key pair. Give any name. I am giving key. Click download key pair. Click launch instances. Click view instances. Here you have to name it as anything. We have got the IP address here. The public IP address to connect to the instance. Before connecting to the instance, go to Open Partigen. Basically, to connect the instance, we need the key, the private key. We have downloaded the private key. Actually, PuTTY does not allow the PIN format that the key has right now. We need to first convert it with something compatible before we can use it to connect with the SSH. PuTTY support only .ppk file. We have downloaded a perm file which is in the form of .perm. So we need to convert the .perm file to .ppk file. Click all files. Here you can choose the private key. Name it as you like. I call this file as like. Now go to PuTTY. First we need the server in server instance IP address. So for that one, go to here. This is the public IP address of the instance. Copy this one. Go to PuTTY. Paste it here. Now navigate to connection SSH. Click add here. Here select your private key where you generated the one. Okay, I am logged into my EC2 instance. This is the way we have to connect our EC2 instance using PuTTY on Windows. Thank you for watching.